everybody, aka good day, for joining this beautiful amazing day or night wherever you are. It's night at my house. So today I'm gonna be doing a mukbang. If you don't know what a mukbang is, you should probably know it. It's when you eat food and you talk about your day, your life, your anything. So yeah, I got here noodles. They're not spicy, they're normal. So I decided. So I'm gonna try this. I wish I can have chopsticks, but I don't. Here where I live, there is chopsticks, but I don't know where to get them from. You can get them from eBay. So I like filming 2 videos in the same day because it's just fun. It takes my time away. Today I'm celebrating with some noodles for V's birthday. So how's you guys been? This is what happened. So so I filmed a school night routine. Right. And when it was uploaded, I checked it today, and it wasn't uploaded because I don't know what happened, but it wasn't posted. It wasn't allowed to be posted, and I'm like, YouTube doomed me. I was like about to cry. Like, it was like it was the saddest thing ever. None of my videos have been like not posted. So yeah. So my sister and her about to be husband, they're about to get married. I'm so excited. They came over and they did my mom's hair straight for like a lot, like forever, like 24/7. So yeah. So I saw other people doing mukbangs, but when I search on mukbangs, they keep telling me like ASMRs, it's not mukbangs. I found this girl mukbang. I'm not like mukbanging. I don't know her, Ellie's World. She can use freaking chopstick. I cannot even use them. Like, I cannot. By the way, go and check her channel. I really like her videos. Actually, just kidding. I don't like her at all. She's like showing off a lot. I'm not trying to be mean or anything, but she's showing off a lot. I wrote on one of her, like on her noodles video. She's like mukbang. This is so long. So, and this guy said you eat like a pig to her, and then I wrote, you're cringy. There's somebody at my door. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, just ignore the background. So, my sister and not my sister, my other sister came with my other sister's husband. So back where I was, and I was like, you're cringy. I was not telling the dad. Like seriously, she's like mukbang. She's cringy. Like I might be the cringiest girl on YouTube, but come on, who does like who shows off and being cringy? Like, do I ever do that? Like, I'm just happy about myself. Like, I'm really happy that I got 30. I don't need you guys to subscribe. Not like I'm not like those YouTubers that are like, oh, please subscribe to me. Oh, I'm not like those people. I just love that you guys will watch me. That's the thing that not about views. Some people when to do spicy noodles, they take one like and they're like, it's so hot, I cannot do it. They like little bite. Like I always get mad. I'm like, dude, take a big bite. Like seriously. And I was telling my cousin, and she's like, well, it's spicy. Of course you need to take a little bite. I'm like, yeah, but I'm not like, you know. So I love you all, you know. I love all my fans. A lot of people at my school keep telling me, what's your fans called? What's your fans called? What do you call your fans called? What do you call your fans? And I'm like, I call them the adventurers. The adventurers. My mom is watching an Indian film. You know Eldy's World? She thinks filming on YouTube is going live. I don't get it. Like she even tells her mom to shut up. I never tell my mom that. I got this much. Nearly done. Let me see if I can get the thumbnail. If you don't see the thumbnail like this, then it's my fault, okay? So, just wiped my mouth. Okay. Nearly finished. That was delicious, guys. It's probably the first mukbang I ever did. If you want to see some more, I was thinking I should probably do a McDonald's mukbang. So, guys, if you liked this mukbang and want me to do more mukbangs, comment down below. Make sure to, if you want, like this video or subscribe to this video if you want. And bye, adventures. Mwah.